Hi everyone, it's Jared again here from Eaglerise Farm. What a glorious day we had the other day, and it was so good I thought I'd grab our new drone and I'd show you some of our fantastic ecological indicators. Look at all the spiders here, it's just amazing. And they're one of the most dominant predators we have on the farm, and they're great indicators of the health and richness of a whole range of trophic groups like decomposers and other predators. They're really interesting because they deploy a variety of predator strategies, and they occupy a whole range of spatial ecological niches, which is what we're trying to produce on the farm. They're probably one of the most abundant invertebrate predators in our whole terrestrial ecosystem. So you'd think we should be looking after them, wouldn't you? It's been shown in research that agricultural production systems that actively conserve spiders, their density and their range of species through minimal chemical application and through maintaining ground cover, they're really good candidates for to have control of prey by the spiders. You can see in these photos our eagle rise management where we maintain ground cover and we provide habitat conservation. We use no chemicals. Look how many spiders are here. Imagine the carbon that they're sequestering. Imagine all the little insects that they're trapping. So those trophic levels are really, really abundant on our farm. It's great to see. It also reflects back in our bird populations when you look at our species list, the variety and the numbers that we're getting. We're providing a lot of insect food for our insect feeders. It's really interesting stuff, and we're really excited about it. And I hope you've enjoyed this.